How to fix and solve rotate on Discord app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'll show you how can you fix rotation issue on the Discord app. So in order to fix it, so you could first make sure to check your device's general auto rotate settings. Now if you're using an Android device, you could also swipe up, or similarly if you're using an iOS device, you could do this, or you could just you might have these feature at the bottom, so you could just swipe up, and then here you could go ahead and make sure that the auto rotate feature is turned on, or that you have you could go ahead and enable or disable it. That should be able to fix it so as well. And next thing, what else you could do is, if trying the steps does not fix the issue, then you could also check for an update. Sometimes simple update can help you out to fix temporary glitch. So go ahead and open up your application or Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in Discord. Once you type in Discord, here you want to see whether you need to update the application or not. After updating, see whether the issue has been solved or not. If that doesn't fix, you could also try clearing your cache as well as storage. For that, you want to long press the application, go to this info, and then you want to go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now clearing the storage is going to delete the data permanently. Only if you're sure about it, then go ahead and tap on it, or just leave it as it is. Now heading back to the app info section, here you want to go to permission and check whether any sort of rotation permission are enabled, or whether you have such permissions or not. You could go ahead and enable it, so if you have so. If these method doesn't seem to be working out, you could try force stopping the application for a certain period of time, after which you could also try uninstalling the application, then restarting your device at the same time, and once again reinstall the application by going to the Play Store. That could be able to fix your issue all at once. So these are some of the ways to fix and solve rotate on Discord issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank